We can concentrate on this battle. We have just over 1 lap to go as they swoop left down Sabine. That's where Marquez crashed out of the race last year. Now it's Arabiata 1 and 2 once again. Compare the lines. Look at that Honda. Closes right in to Arabiata 1. Up over Arabiata 2. They have come. Marquez has the inside advantage. The move and then now at Scarberry and the flicking left there. It's flicking left. Sorry. This is where Lorenzo took the lead last time out. And he's riding a very, very clammy race out the front. Marquez for the first time this season is being tested to the limit. And they are producing a MotoGP race that you just cannot take your eyes off. It's Marquez, isn't it? You just something different with the tyres. It's a strategy, if you like, to get that minute from practice. This is absolutely critical for the penultimate time. Can Marquez do anything about Lorenzo to get in the toe and get ahead of that Yamaha as they head up to San Donato? Here we go, 1 to go at Mugello. 1 lap to go, Alex Marquez, the younger brother of Mark cannot watch. Try and break him into San Donato. Marquez gets in there very, very fast. Runs in a bit wide. Lorenzo closes right up and then has the brake hard. So Marquez leads the advantage as they come up round Luco. Very nice indeed. And it looks as though he's really well closed off and shut the door on Lorenzo as they came in the second part of the first corner. So this is where Lorenzo overtook earlier on. Left and right, Maserati 1 and 7. Massive fans up there on the outside there. Man currently in third place with these two battling. Hammer Thomas. It's been a closing battle down through Casanova and Civelli. And very soon they will be approaching that Corentau corner where Lorenzo passed Marquez for the lead a few laps ago. Look at the breeze just sliding their way down the hill through Civelli. This is Arabiata 1 and Arabiata 2. Yeah, we ride with Jorge Lorenzo in 7th place. Marquez in front of him has half a lap to go to make it 6 in a row. Lorenzo wants to make it 4 in a row here at Mugello. It's very close as they go down through Scarberry and now through Mugello up towards Calentile. This is where he made the move just 2 laps ago. Is he close enough? Marquez very defensive through there. So the best Lorenzo can hope for now is to get a clean line all through this section. Look at Marquez on the tighter line and Lorenzo is going to be clean now. Lorenzo through the Bialdetti left, right flick and then into Pacini. We know that incredible line Lorenzo's been demonstrating all afternoon through this final corner. Turn 15 Pacini. Who will get the best run to the line? Lorenzo will win the slipstream. Marquez has top position. Side going to get good drive out of the corner. Has he got enough to take on Marquez? Almost side by side. Marquez leads away. Can Lorenzo come over the slipstream? No, he cannot. Marquez, we are